Assalamualaikum and a very good day. I'm Iqbal.
I'm Adli.
I'm Amir Hakim.
I'm Luqman.
And we are from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. We are going to present our product, which is revolutionary face shield, which is for our subject DMCD 3523 Engineering Design. According to article posted by the New York Times on 10 January 2021 shows that coronavirus pandemic has infected more than 90,000 people. As for Sunday night, at least 1 million people have died and the virus has been found in almost every region, as this map indicate the coronavirus pandemic is ebbing in some of the countries that have been hit early on, but the number of new cases is increasing faster than ever in the world, with an average of more than 500,000 registered daily. From the age market January 10, 2021, Malaysia has reported 2,000 new cases and cumulative active cases increasing to a new peak of 27,000. Today is the 6th straight day that we have more than 2,000 cases. Many manufacturers from all over the world have mass-produced the PPE, especially the mask, face shield and glove. While there is an article posted in BBC Future on August 7, 2020 that says plastic visors are commonly used to shield people from coronavirus in restaurants, bars and beauty salons. But is the visor properly secured from an airborne infection? No. Thousands of aerosol droplets were sprayed into the air in front of us every time we say a word. When someone is infected with a respiratory virus like the one that caused COVID-19, any aerosol droplet can contain thousands of viral particles, each with the potential to infect those nearby who breathe in. There is now growing evidence that airborne coronavirus aerosol can play a major role in the spread of COVID-19. The WHO does not consider COVID-19 to be an airborne epidemic, although many scientists agree that the virus will last for a considerable amount of time in the air while being contagious. Therefore, wearing a mask is still optional, while it is obvious that the virus could still escape into the air in a mask-like phase. Amount of aerosol it carries is significantly diminished. The purpose of this project is to develop a face shield that could also serve as a mask, where it would be wearable and aesthetically well designed and very suitable for people to wear it comfortably anywhere.
So next for the objective of this project is, the first one is to flatten the graph curve of infection COVID-19 cases. Second, reduce risk of virus contamination. Third, reduce spray of liquid from the patient. Fourth, cost-friendly, affordable by all citizens.
This is customer requirement for our product. Firstly, the requirement is minimize the risk of getting infected. Next, easy to use. Thirdly, help them perform their work easier. And lastly, can be used for a long range time. Next. This is our product design specification. For the first requirement, which is help user perform their work easier, we make the product lightweight, comfortable for the user, and using fault resistant material. For the second requirement, which is low risk of getting infected by virus while using it, we make the product that will prevent droplet from the other people and will cover user full face. Thirdly, for the requirement, which is product can be used for a long time, we make the product we can clean the product after we use, so we can reuse it again. Lastly, for the customer requirement, which is easy to use, we make the product easy to carry and has clip or head strap. Others, the product is safe to use, easy to fabricate and use a low cost product. Next. This is our benchmark. We use the face shield that commonly used nowadays. The specification is elastic head strap, lightweight, cover full face and can be reused. Next. This is our first conceptual design. We make this face shield have a double head strap. So first head strap we make to strap behind our head, and second adjustable strap we make it to strap above our head. Next. For the second conceptual design, we make the face shield has a clip, so we can clip the face shield to the helmet or user cap. Next. For the third design, we made the face shield that has a adjustable strap, and we put extra protection, which is using a face mask. Next. For our last design, we made the face shield that has an elastic strap and soft foam to provide extra comfortability for the user, and we also add mouth shield as extra protection to the user.
Next, for the part selection method, we could see that the second design had the lowest score than any other design. This is because there is lack of parameters that we want. If just 6 good ratings. Apart from that, the fourth design had the best score among all of them, and it suits the most parameters we want. The only missing of this concept is the scale of the design that's a little bit too big. Yet, it has the best score of 8 out of 9. Next, we agree to make a study on the headband frame for the application and measurement. We're evaluating the maximum tension that this frame will hold. The material to be used is ABS plastic. This specification is planned to meet the factor of safety score of 2.5. From the total measurement that was made, we could see that the highest stress that this frame can hold is 11.06 Nm squared.
So after being discussed among the members and do the few selection method, we decide to take the design 4 as our final design. We make this design using AutoCAD software, and this is our final result for 3D design. So there are 7 items included in our face shield, which is shield, headband frame, soft foam, elastic strap, mouth shield, chin holder and connector. So the first is shield. Shield was made from anti-fog material and lightweight material, so it can be more comfortable and easier for people to communicate with each other. Second, headband frame. Headband frame was used to support the shield and soft foam from any dislocated, and it will make the soft foam and shield fix in a position. Third, the soft foam. Soft foam was made to make the user feel more comfortable to wear the face shield, even have to use it for a long time range. Next, the elastic strap. The elastic strap will be made the face shield adjustable for any sizes of human head. Next, the mouth shield. The mouth shield was used to make our face shield extra protection. Next, the chin holder. The chin holder was used to hold the chin in a fixed position, and it will make the user more comfortable. And the last is connector. There will be 2 connectors, which is the left side and the right side. It will connect the mouth shield to the headband frame.
Overall, from the project design, we can conclude that many attempts and methods has been applied. The built face shield lets pioneers do their job while reducing the risk of virus infection. We must guarantee that the graph of infected people could flatten to ensure that we could win the battle of COVID-19 viruses from the prevention of modern medical devices. As a Malaysian native, we need to work together to resolve the global pandemic of the COVID-19 virus so that we can return to our normal life. Overall, thank you. Stay safe.